Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the continuation version of this political parties. So in our previous classes, whatever we the previous sessions, what and all we have learnt in this chapter, you just take a minute and re-glance those things, okay? Yes, children. Then, yes, we understood the meaning of political party, and then, yes, why do we need political parties? This is very much important. And then, yes, the functions of political parties, and then, yes, one party system, two party system and multi-party system, and then, yes, exactly, children, the recognized national parties. Today we are going to see about the state parties, or we call it as a regional parties. Let us see the next thing. See, today we are going to see about the state parties and then the challenges to the political parties. Whatever the challenges the political parties are facing, that we are going to see, and then how can parties be reformed? How can a political party can be reformed? That we are going to see, and then finally we will go for recapitulation. Okay, children, by this today we are going to wind up this chapter. So listen carefully, understand the concept, and it's very much important for your public exam. Guys, there will be the compulsory question from this chapter. Okay. Yes, children. Yes. So in the last class we understood that to consider as a state party, what is the criteria they have framed from the electoral commission. Yes, election commission have got some there are some criteria to be considered as a state party. What is that? Yes, a party should get minimum 6% of a vote, and it has to get at least minimum 2 seats in the legislative assembly. Okay, so see, we have already seen in the last class that the 7 recognized national parties. Today we are going to see about the remaining the state parties. See here, other than 7 national parties, most of the major parties of the country are classified by the election commission as state parties. So apart from those 7 national parties, as I told you people, we have got more than 750 registered, the political parties. So in that we can see, the recognized are the major parties of the countries will be considered as a state parties. Other, we can even call it as a regional party. For example, coming to Tamil Nadu, what are the political parties, the major political parties you will be seeing? Yes. So, DMK, ADMK, so many other political parties we can see. So, those parties will be called as a state parties or regional parties. Okay, children. And then we can see in each state we can see the n number of parties. If you go to the Karnataka, you can see Janata Dal, that is a local party, and then the Rashtriya Janata Dal. Many parties we can see over the country. In each state, with the name of a state specified, the name with the state also, they will be having some political parties to make sure the classification of a state. See, over the last 3 decades, the number and the strength of these parties has expanded. So we can see without the coalition or the alliance with this state party, no national party can be frame a government. So that is the reason, or form a government in the central. So that is the reason what happened, these state parties started to expand more and more. Okay, so that is the reason this made India politically more diverse. So here we can see from the n number of states, we will be taking the alliance from those political parties and we will be forming the government. So that time what happened? Of course, we can see the diversified people and we can see the political diversity. Okay children? Yes. And the next we can see that, see, no one national party is able to secure on its own a majority in the Lok Sabha until 2014. So as I told you people, what happened? Till now not even, the national parties will not be able to secure the, the majority in the Lok Sabha. So that is the reason they will be making alliance with this state parties. See here. As a result, the national parties are compelled to form alliance with state parties. There is no choice for those, the parties. So that's the reason what they'll do, they'll make the coalition or the alliance with this state parties. Okay children? Yes, we'll see. So this is not clear, this map. You can just look into your textbook. Okay, there it is very much clear. We can see, the each state how many the political parties, the state political parties it has got. Okay children, in your page number most probably 83, you can just check into that. Okay, yes children, and this is a very much important concept. Okay, the challenges to political parties. What are the challenges our political parties are facing? See, the first one, it is lack of internal democracy within the political parties. So the political parties, they are finding very difficult the lack of internal democracy within the parties, and then dynasty succession, money and muscle power, and offering of meaningful choice to the voters. They are failing in offering of a meaningful choice to the voters. Okay, these 4 points are very much important. Remember children, lack of internal democracy, dynasty succession, money and muscle power, and offering of meaningful choice. Let us see each point in detail. See here. What do you mean by lack of internal democracy? Yes children. So what happens here, within the parties, they'll not be having any proper, rights to all the people. They'll not be having any equal rights to the people. See here, the parties do not keep membership register, so they'll not be having a proper membership register, will not be maintained in a political party, and then do not hold organizational meeting. They'll not be having a organizational meeting. They should have some, every now and then the meeting should happen. What is their policies, what is their ideology, and what they are going to do in the next election, all those things. So they should have a proper organizational meeting, that will not be having, and do not conduct internal elections regularly. So within that political party, they should have some internal election regularly. So that internal elections are also not going regularly. So these are all the things we can see. That is why they are calling it as a lack of internal democracy. And ordinary people do not have sufficient information about the party. So finally what happened, the power will be given only to the few people, the top leaders, other few people of that particular, the political party. So that time what happened, the other ordinary people of that particular party will not be having any information, the sufficient information about that particular political party. Okay, all the power centralized among the top leaders. So finally what happened, the maximum power, children understand, the maximum power will be given or holded only by the top leaders. Okay, the maximum, the decision making also will be given only to those top leaders. Other people will not be having any right. Okay, so here what happened, the people, even more than the loyalty towards the political party, the people should have the loyalty towards the leader. Then only they can be served within that particular political party. So that is what the situation here we are seeing. That is the reason they are telling lack of internal democracy. There is no equality for the people. There is no freedom. Only the top leaders, whatever the decisions they are taking, the other, the followers has to follow that. Okay children, this is one of the example we can see that. And next, dynasty succession. What it means? What exactly the dynasty succession means? That means leaders have unfair advantage to favor people close to them. So you can see in your, the local, in your state also, what happens? The maximum, if you want to, if you want to give the, the candidate seats. So that time what happened? Maximum they'll be favoring only to their family people, or the, their relatives, their friends, and they'll be giving seats only for those people. Understand? So do not practice open and transparent procedure for functioning. They'll not be transparent means what? It will not be visible to all the people. They'll not be making it transparent. It should, they'll not be, making the things known to everyone. Okay. And then top positions always controlled by family members. So the maximum, the top positions will be controlled only by those family members. You can see in the, the example of this in your states only. What are the political parties? So this is one of the political party, in Karnataka, that is Janata Dal. So here what happens? He was a ex-prime minister, and he was a ex, the chief minister for the 2 times, and his wife, and he's a younger son, he's a elder son, and younger son's wife and their children. So the maximum positions are holded only by their family members. So this is the situation. That is the reason the dynasty succession they are telling. Other people will not be having any chance. Only their family members, their close circles will be enrolled in that particular, the things or the party. That is also one of the drawback or the challenge we can see. And the next one, it is money and muscle power. What does it mean? Yes, here what happened, in some political parties, they will not see about, the personality of that particular candidate. They will be concentrating only on the elections, that too winning of an election. So that situation what happened, they will find some shortcut methods to win the election. So that time what happened, now we can see the corrupted way of the elections are going on. The leaders offer some things for the people, the normal people, and with that offering they'll be winning the elections. So that is the reason it is very much important to have money. Yes or no children? You can see the examples in your surroundings only. So what happens in, at the time of elections, you can see what and all the offerings you people will be getting. So that time what happened, to give all those offerings, of course, they need money. So that is the reason what happened, they will be giving much preference for the, the money people, the people who's from the business background, the business magnates, or some criminals who will be having more money, those kind of people. See here, they focus on election. Of course, the political parties, they give much importance for the elections, and they try to use some shortcut methods to win. Of course, they'll be, the main motto for them will be winning that election. So that's the reason what they'll be doing. They'll be using some shortcut methods, and moneyed candidates come to power. Of course, as we see this era at present, only the people who has got money will be more, yes, they'll be more powerful, and they can purchase even the people by giving the money or bribing the people. They will be taking votes and they'll be in the power. And rich tend to influence, so that their richness tend to influence the people and they'll get the vote. Criminals are supposed in order to win elections. So finally what happened? They'll be a criminal, but even they have got money. So that's the reason what happens. Finally, they will be winning the elections. Okay children, hope you people understood this, the point.